I am DK Nagendra, Deputy Secretary Promotion from Coffee Board of India. I am here to promote the coffees of India. You may be knowing that the coffee is grown under the shade, unlike in other parts of the country, and this is grown above 1000 meter level. This is eco-friendly, and we grow around 3.2 lakh tons, metric tons, and both Arabica and Robusta. And we are the only producers of the monsoon coffee. India is the only country which produces the monsoon coffee, and these are the specialty coffees of India. One is Monsoon Malabar, Robusta Coffee Rye, Mysore Nuggets, and these are the region where the coffee is grown in India. And this is our mother logo. That means, though it is grown in different parts of the country, it is one and the same. It is diversified, unity in diversity. And these specialty coffees we grow. This is one of the Robusta Coffee Rye and the Mysore Nuggets. That is from Arabica. This is another one, Monsoon Malabar. It is a monsoon coffee, and you can see this is a plantation A variety, and this is Arabica cherry, and these are our specialty coffees: Monsoon Malabar, Mysore Nuggets, and Robusta Coffee Rye.
You will find this Monsoon Malabar is very unique, only from India. In no other country this coffee can be produced because it is monsooned specially, and the technique which India have learnt. So that is our very special grade. But basically our basic grades are plantation, these Mysore Nuggets, and for Robusta we have Robusta Coffee Royal, and we have Robusta Parchment. So in India we have both Arabica and Robusta. That is our uniqueness. And we have hilly areas, elevations, soils and shade which is suitable for both Arabica and Robusta. As you can see, we are basically promoting sustainable coffee. We are working towards eco-friendly coffee. We are working for environmental friendly coffee. In India, our coffee areas are fully shaded, almost like a mini forest. About 200 big trees and plants are planted in 1 hectare of land of coffee, and below that coffee is grown. Then we have in India, during all seasons, the bees, honeybees, butterflies, insects, various bioorganisms, lot of fauna and flora, and we also have a lot of wild animals living in our coffee area, like animals or elephants, tigers, monkeys, and wild boar, etc., etc. So Indian coffee areas are working towards sustainability of coffee cultivation, and we do not too much concern about productivity because environment is more important. So we have different locations having different agroclimatic regions. So we have made 14 logos for different distinct regions, and you can see these folders. All the regions are described, and we have variety of coffee to offer to the global market. In the world classification, Indian coffee is grouped under other milds, which is number 2 after Colombian milds. And our Indian coffee flavor is very much appreciated for its rich aroma and very mild acidity and right type of body and bitterness. So the Indian coffee is imported and blended with other coffees to bring a special flavor to their coffee. India is 5th largest producer in the world, and our coffee farmers are also, most of them are tribals and small holdings, and now we are striving towards certified coffee, specialty coffee, rainforest and other certification procedures. And we are also working for fair trade coffee, and a lot of organic farming is also encouraged in coffee. And along with coffee, in the dense forest-like environment, we grow pepper, cardamom, and many other spices and condiments. So the whole thing is a flavor, and that is how we want to make Indian coffee very much sustainable.